responsibilities.
Na yede the pen for fresh ase yede bosom for fresh ase bosoma de kwawie ne de fofo so asasa na busua asem mo akwa be ma mo atena sa ma me kan de yesa afiase no kwani bosom par du abase nechi ebusori mu nsam pi afi yesa ase ne mu nsam pi na mpeni ka sem bi de afi no nkyerba na sunye domi na oto won nje say adom do na afi kwa proboto a ehusi ni idi ehusi na anepei bebi awo no menyim bebi awo na mom Capecoast hade igwai Capecoast hade ebusia nsuru topa papa sha sifita ne de yibir ebusia otema besa ne pei ne moma ya ebe pede ya ne pei me de shonkran de onfa wo mensu no lotan nyame obe na wonwode yes nyame bati unsun wa agba awia correct ono no ma nyame oye nyame yes ono no ma enyimpa onti da ono nyame oye na ase ntane pei nkomo na anye de sensuta ewiefi se ewiefira ensuto adesan adechi na adechi so a adesan wom enti mo ti bia no wonda mbanda wonda baba china yes sa wodi ambanda wodi baba china ohiama ntoboase ohiama abotar ohiama etwen wonwoma ebinya twen na da twen na sadum dum na twen da ebusua won sabaka ma ehwe bia won sabaka ma ehwe bia na center focus anepei ya won komo na sanepei anwode na ekasa yemfa sedano yemfa ma oye king of the universe the king corn wa bede materials damara so na yemfa sedano bi yemfa ma oye national petroleum authority also use gas no honto if you are asedano bi so come decide gift shop na yemfa sedano bi yamfa ma oye finger licking fast food and catering services also did barpa na feel good ebusia anepei yebeti nkomo na yenkomo ni na dem yenyim no month of October oye breast cancer awareness kokram yarba otenufum kokram yarba otenufum Ebusua kokwa ye ba to nufum no. Ye won komo pidi. Na ekura me pera ne pei me bi sahene nwanom yenom ye no fasefo mesafo yin de anna wa ko wa keche ka na akwa yesebia for health screening breast cancer awareness no akọ de won hwehwem woni funu mo wana ana enkrai ntane pe phone lines ma activate dadada ma activate phone lines no nkomo ayi bi di do ho de nkomo ayi bi dayen ewi ayi bokọ de obaka ate abaka nsa na pod do abaka nsa ne bi di hu nkomo ne mo wonu so po bogoda ma yeba kan ebusebuti do wana tumbi enti shadenso bebi a obi a shadenso na yes asede yebisa yene mesiafo de busume ya yeshase ya yerka breast cancer no asam kokrom yerba no asam kokrom yerba no asam kokrom yerba no asam kokrom yerba no asam kokrom yerbo breast cancer ebusia akọ hwehwe wanufuma na eta no ma akọ da won hwehwe wanufuma na na sankra ya ina mribi so da abesentir pati panti ina onam do mankra efele da boko na doctor no wesusu wanufuma na anada wo aye wadwen de breast cancer de eni nyasam yo anawo sofo mami anawo sofo anawo aye prayer warrior do nti emfa dem awareness nya hwe de moko we screening we check menu fa hwe de abedem na abendem keke you feel too big in time kokra ebusia munda mu wasemi menyo chapa breast cancer awareness nasa yadi dam isu na banu yedi kuwura oye afefufuruma oye na yetne ho mahene mesiafo wanufue wotwetwa tubu ana breast cancer na modo no dam mesiafo ya wohwe ho no kwa debi ye ndem onye no ebusia ye ndem onye yentne ho masado tefeche kokram yerba omaji mesiafo nufuru mfa mbodo debi na Samaria Baumia or your former vice president no wife now about the breast cancer awareness ena enufu no munhwehwe mete screening no odewu pam Capecoast ha na bra oba Capecoast ha no onye ewuraba wenya breast cancer we twene no fokor breast cancer onam no do we twene no fokor anu wato atin free na ma meni hia che kono fodo na no majeze otwi ya wotwe nanufu osande say ohye That's original or let's Madam Cook, we are better walk, koda. Until we fiat as fast as possible. Now, so Amen said there, Ubutu what nasi 30 years and above. Name say waiting for him. Now, me pede. Your bosh mammy Nasamokan, Adwa Sahara, Nasamokan. Nemom, Sir Elisha, Shanana personality, Shenim patents and cram. Or Babe Sefenechi. Nashanayim Shana was a morting. Naso catch out on them cook, but the witch in the Fukra, a budget and nailing Ginzi. A budget and nailing Ginzi. Nam paying Cassim on to Ada, on to Ada. Nayon Nayakawasam. May you put a chain there? Yan Tomoko come here about no breast cancer, no. It's a young mammy Samira Baumia or crow or best shed without them the ma, Miss Afa, who Capecoast in the central region Yano. Ebusia, Mammy address Sahara, not some more to what my uncle say. No, Malaysia, she mamina name put you know, one Shanaka say. Na ne sentre moti hwe na ho few man hwe no kwa men ti asem no kwa but hwe ne tenten na ne kaso de gina ho na hwe na ho few hwe na chi ai hwe sisiwun na se what tell my breast cancer orina kudama ko ti de mi me we di no do nkunyima onna mo do mo we twe na nufukura awete ho ye de it's what you done. Ampo in the and the paya. Shark come modo, quaya sabia. Unskunu kake. One foot of a tour shade. A baby abed the nufuma. A baby and the ma in your problem. Obi yat never to nephew naban or bahol. It's in my name, Koshe, or yeah, Adwa Sahara, Nasama, or the Tugan.
Yes, I did. Like this. Also, we gave me the number. I mean, you can't have a I did say, you know, I can't keep it. I examine because it's one day, yeah, the man who's I can't be as a baby. I saw we did 3 months here. Yeah, so to the back of hospital. Now, before they will be a better than the pop pie. I said, we must back of hospital. Now, then I will do that. So I said, we now here, who can't have the other. I'm here for conversation. Prepare this time. This time, I'm afraid of it for. Let the work walk like a prepare. As I walk now, prepare. That's the answer. That's the most very that's the do. Maybe I try it. So what about the president? I'm saying this time. I'm speaking to you people now. When you say about yes, when you say that you don't this one, he's I'm sorry what I'm you are. Let's see if the demand and start saying the information. It's a very good grandma. Yes, grandma. The last one I got is a morning. You have said, I have to go up there. I can't see that whole. I can't show you that. So I was sitting there. I was going to the I was very young. Look at what I this world. What up there? I say, I normal. My son was really bad. I want to move. Okay. Yes, I decided to all my said decided. Three times now, 7 how yes, I'm away. You do the it's the only option said. Yeah, I'm surviving. I'm packed the bread. You said that I said, look at that, any man needs. After 2 weeks, something happened before. They pack, they take it out. After 3 days, it's a passion. I'm the boy. Anybody expecting man I just said that Yashi would say, send a call, many ones will say, they call, I said, because in the second they were 10 years on enter. So between 4 and 5 years, I felt that 7 years a year, it's not time for it. Dr. Kacha said, what? Look for love with them, it's where we went to the people. As I said, you know, and I said, let's have enough for you. I said, you know, not the best way, the very one, you make me was here, you are fully better. But the possibility is that so we use for now the possibility is and like I said, it's very clear about the next time we start to do another I said, oh, you are September, you were that was the 2nd of September. So I hear the October. That's not a big idea. Sunday, I miss you, Yamani. After the start of the boy, where we lose Monday before the guy is the liver, and that's what I said. Also, the last, and I say, and Muslim, the now, the sense is actually what was on the home or ODD, I was already married. Maybe they said to the same thing. I said to them, and I treat the issue. It's really sad. People, only know what they're done. Now, only that's the reason why you should start. It's been never so. Not the one that I teach, not the free one that you are not there. I have this every month. I was told that they are Muslim dress. I'm there, their own. As a woman, you are and so when you also have a facility one. Something that we are over about the girl. That is why something very well. And now what that people? I will wait at the landlord. So your man, I didn't put that. Put it dress in there. The body dress, the body activity because my if I was so like dress as a just 40 years for them. After just 40 years. Now, okay, if you are saying, now you know what they are, you follow so. That's why they are not saying, I feel fine. Who say, I can put it, I want to go, I can't teach that. The people who get the who maybe the president in the family will get their for every time. We can't the family again. But they say, and yes, I am, and I say, Saturday now, the government. If you are one, it's a media,
Young share or Babesia or Chino. Yenamami Shabada Udijino Shahwafel Shanetson one done during the breast cancer Babanabrabum. One done during the breast cancer Kukram Yelba Babanabrabum cry. Now Shabada Udijino. Just look at her. Shabada Odijino. If you show breast cancer awareness, breast cancer, you can want some. You know, for your soul pa. I send the West will keep course. I'm in pardon. Breast cancer, architecture, no breast cancer, not what the impama, a prayer camp, young lady, we will fast as I said. Breast cancer. Now, my people born in it. Now, when I wear the Madina, when you pay for the breast cancer, cook from your bar not to, I can taste it in the food. Yimpa no sabu. Nye bia oyinsan na akere oyinsam ne nufa hyehyɛ. Enye do wo da wa wo 3. Na se osinitiri na akoko niti na akoko. Na hume hu da ne nufu na asase ohuna oye benade. Nye breast cancer na what it was so unfa kompa bo wo kwa na asofo sabi we binum mami o kase na ti na sofo bi asa no kom sofo bi odo meje duro nom wan fo sofo na asema yehwe o na o to an moko hospital oko say eh mama kokram yeba nkoto da wa nufunum ye be examination mu na ode mo mi gire operation accepted os mo nko nda ma be se menya me fiam kofi a me nsa me kirimba determination there ma fahinu po wan sala mala mehu mat atenka da bibi da menufum na de me nsa me kin kofi bibia obeye bia mo ho botom no wonye perfect. Ono no odete wono ono na hene maami odete won ntinche odete woda ontono na woda ma na pu nechi ya so gbe yechi ya so gbe ebusia breast cancer when a kokram yeba na yeka wasam na why me yo yin there yere mesafo na la yen won ti ene hi won nam yen won kwadwuma yen won wadwumam yen won abusiemu no awon po oho hon mpocha awe fresh man fresh a friend butuma frebio friend yen nkomo phone line go ogo wo screen no do friend yen nkomo mesra wa friend man fa chap friend yen nkomo breast cancer awareness ye kan wasam pa breast cancer awareness ye kan wasam ebusua owo de afi bi bodu embi bodu nu na yente edin po usana Ghana ha aye yente ye de bia ye twene masem sansana mpeyifuru wakaka won afi ye nkwadadam ye nkwadadam kra dembre idini bia onchankane bia tete no abasene kwano nne yente no medine bio first na ti polio na ti polio away usanda anu ye de no ho education cross breast cancer kokram yareba ebusoye pe yitase enti eye se no wona check na bibe na na twa no mantam adnine inya hospital ntem abokwan ono bi tem de wonifun muntwa ana de odubokowu ebusia na yensane ko oye Samilia Baumia ne breast cancer awareness obaye no oye Capecoast han ma me nankse so da asem tugwa na obo figure bi obo figures bi da Ghana ha afibia wona breast cancer okunwon wona breast cancer nkote mesafa breast cancer nkote okunwon yankonkwohwe na teniye party figures no na foto to ho da so if you hear about him breast cancer figures wona afibiara breast cancer okunwon yankohwe ma me Samilia Baumia.
For all of you being here today, your bravery, your resilience, your honesty reminds us that breast cancer is not only a medical condition, it's a shared journey that touches families and communities. Every diagnosis is not just a number, but a personal story of faith, of fear, of pain, and of hope. So I acknowledge all the survivors, the advocates, and the caregivers who are today. Those who continue to give strength and share knowledge and bring comfort to others walking this difficult road. You are the true champions of this cause. As was mentioned earlier, every October the world unites to mark Breast Cancer Awareness Month. It is a time to honor the lives touched by the disease and renew our commitment to equitable care and early detection for all. Beyond the pink ribbons and campaigns, this month is a powerful reminder of the awareness that must lead to action, and that action that will save lives. Breast cancer remains one of the leading causes amongst women worldwide. In Africa, breast cancer has overtaken cervical cancer as the most commonly diagnosed cancer in women. Tragically, many of these cases are diagnosed late, when hope is dim and treatment less effective. Here in Ghana, it is estimated that about 4,500 women are diagnosed with breast cancer each year, and nearly half of them do not survive. 4,500 women in Ghana have been diagnosed with breast cancer. And survive. And to say, more than 2,000 every year is because of breast cancer. And the GD says that 2,000 said, oh, hospital in Tema, doctor in Tema, if you have a number, every single day, a big year, at least 6 Ghanaian women lose their lives due to breast cancer. And while it's rare, you must also remember that a man wants to have cancer. And should I know to be removed, but a man it's a man wants to not take DB, and will look for a stroke, so hospital. Now, oh my, almost sure, yes, over 2,000. These are mothers, these are our sisters, these are our daughters. Okay, mommy. They're not for intimate. Breast cancer is not a death sentence. It is detected early. That is why what we are doing today is important. Let's talk about it in our homes. Let's talk about it in our churches. Let's talk about it in our mosques, our workplaces, in our communities. Let us encourage one another to go for screening. Let us support one another emotionally, financially, spiritually. Let us break the silence and end the stigma to many survivors' please. Everybody else, also no checking the power. So or checking the and no man has a dinner. Now I'm checking for wedding. Check you. When we are baby, oh mommy, oh papa, encouraging us almost on them on checking. Now, me to suffer in your balance, oh, running in the diesel. If you say, me persist big man, the customer just said, obey your breast cancer, I have to say, on one person for Paris or cancer, naturally. Breast cancer, obey to be cancer, no. It doesn't work that way. Obey or breast cancer, and just obey now, so baby. And now, said, I could be no more, and not just say, obey the baby. It's in your broken husband. Oh, when you're so young, nobody and born, near so near drama chain. Now, more it is with your bone, yeah, more. Ma'am,
Messiafo 2,000. Messiafu 2000 pime bien. Messiafu 2000 na fibia breast cancer okum. The whole Ghana. Messiafu 2000 na fibia breast cancer okum. Nhwehwema oda wan. Anu po yere ka ye beka na wona awutumi kro ayasabia ana hospital na records oka hon ahon na yehu na ahon na wan hospital na agenti funa wa wode prayer camp fun ahon so what the kanwa ibuda him ebusia breast cancer awareness October otwema 9 October ya yomi otwema 9 ne date ahin enne twema 9 ebusia pacha amatofo na ogu screen do no aha 0508 206846 pacha fra na lo UTV no na ya shede ndama obokodo boko odi amu okay eti masro masro pa but on Facebook one our Facebook comment butum da ba like that na cafe but for comment bla o Facebook and also the text message baba ibusom WhatsApp ya baka na ya kama asana ya di do baka na pod nso da twa wodo na okay eti masre ebushafo ahomatofo ebu yatum aha mebu yatum eti efra ya do botum na yedze nkomo kama dama efra ya do botum na yedze nkomo madam Angela wo oye Elmina ampenyi mami anepe nchesonko onkomo na mamenjira wodo na mambo mesafo yan na no ma menyim ho nyina otoba na enti Mama Vic, yes, Mama Vic, District Director of Agriculture, KEA, Mama Vic, and a pay chest on Concomo, I can check and then check it. Mama Vic, KEA, District Director of Agriculture, Mama, I can check and then check it. But that's it. The Maraso and Monko, Eunice Mensa, yes. Ewo oye secretary crowd kojo krom Eunice and the piaka check and then check Ernestina, yes, but you washo kojo krom and the piaka check and then check ebusia mamanchia oye nananom ahimma fa wo fifi manto me henyina na ga na henyina nananom ahimma fu ina nchesonko onkwama hon Nana amma iyaba the first konti himba nana anepe bebe obia no nchesonko onkom nana himba nchesonko onkomo aha nchesonko onkomo maminchi a oye mempiasam hin mempiasam ahin oye besia yes nana anepe nchesonko onkomo akache ka na ncheke yeda wase emone ye maminchi a ogwa hima yes nana abochi nana ekwa abochi yes nana anepe nchesonko onkomo bebe awobia nana himafu si di no ba fine na otokosa nana okua ekua okuta yes abrahimba nana anope akeche kana nkeche ke nana ekua okuta anope akeche kana nkeche ke medase memitia nana ejirba yes nana ejirba apejahima ogwata sa kansen amoyahima nana anope akeche kana nkeche ke medase memitia oye edinu baru atoko eti nkamfo hima yes nkamfo hima nana efotewia na ekotewia techiwa yes nana anope incheso koko dawo noti anope bichichia mele nana ma himba fuina eno yi headmistress former headmistress no nyi oni na meminchia oye former principal yes Capecoast Nursing and Midwifery Training School yes former principal Mami Fati yes Fati akon yes mama anope akeche kana ncheke incheso nkonkomo bebi awo bia damara so ena incheso nkon onkoma oya breast cancer awareness yadi mobobo incheso nkonkomo mopocho aye balami see you mama gifty anope bebi awo bia incheso nkon onkomo Mommy, you will be the first person who can check because breast cancer awareness no or the work on pa. It's I put an be so cry because in there I am here, I am way. It's mommy and pay Yadawasi in chest on concomo baby will be Munkatesema, Munkatesema, Susie, I can check and check it. Oh, here pa. Susie, I can check and check it. Oh, here pa. Yes. Wanna be Abby. Abby, and the pair check and check it. On here, pa, breast cancer, and pocho. Pocket check on here, pa. Breast cancer awareness. On here, pa. Wanna be wanna be it's not bad, it's all baby. I back on to. Aha. Na ye bisra wa kecheka no nkecheke oh here pa very necessary nti yesa homa nti anope ye bada homa se na mum yankwhwe de obakate abakansa no pe no yemfa ntue no breast cancer awareness bosumi bewe ya nan yanka wasem bio bosumi ya obewe ya nan yanka wasem bio nti week ya be end breast cancer awareness no ya be end nti me ya kan ye bi sampa akache kan na check breast cancer awareness erisha anepei ma yenye yankodo bakata abakansa nepe na pod na nkwhwedza ende do bakata no obado mbrese bogom ehwa atwetan mbrese bogom ehwa atwetan bisebna basam rekodo mbrese bogom ehwa atwetan dem LGBTQ bill na wa ba the parliament na aya there o de mo baye de mo wonye no sincerely majority leader and no speaker of parliament wa bomu fuka obia na bebe onam osome bebe anam na iyi ina o me yehu de ye ne mpanyifo na yeto aba mo ho wadwenye ne ho ana wadwenye ne ho so na dede bebe bia ye nyina no ye wia ahon implementation ahon all what the stamp this do banyan ne hune da ade ne ye adwuma aka atwuma mo ntwe wo oye parliament ebusha me yefo daily graphic nshase na yenko yanyim daily graphic na yim wano ma ozo be no osi city wa hit oye 60th milestone eti the man daily graphic and the pay or the vice president no wa call for oye safeguard currency integrity it's no so no ho afidida wudi no na ode aba aboto igwan nti onye Bank of Ghana governor na ho ebie no wodi nsa atunseyem na wurichi efefefe wo oye afidida no ho Ghana cedi bebi wekuni ebuso the chronicle the book atene oye owura Paul Afoko hey no papi ho are you MPP what's it oye MPP chairmanship race no Paul Afoko wasana bebio no feyi na oda hon aha na ECG one overspend budget 189 million hey na park wa refer former managers to attorney general obede nkatenkwa na mutuo that why pika ECG only the worker at the chronicle manoso odi abotwine Samaria Baumia and also engage oye Baumia campaign the strategy na mameno ono na mase ntono na mahana nukunsu na ma hey politicians it's that the worker at no so odobotu gwan Ghanaian publisher the worker at no so no pay wa begodo or the over for mark no fe na aboto attorney general no fe na aboto e be na sam na welka na afi marking mo kan na anyeni undermine justice nata olubu piapere yado ayo who knows the brain of bachelor former president Nana Addo Akufo-Addo no so all Africa to ditch aid no so ordinary some or the aboto Samira Baumia was storm oil central region nti no mun komo no bi na ne pay yado tu wanyim no nti do baka teso ma other bain ebuso daily guide waka tanede oye owa Paul Afoko no fanyin ena onye oye speaker of parliament no fanyin kan Daddy Lumba no so no fanyin oda abakan na ode fanyin kura oda abakan de enshida wimpa aha ma penjon dramani mahama ena onye oye yere mblese bogwe Senator Lawrence na oje ho na ho na ebienin wodi nkomo wo hwe wonanyim na sama delegate kan de Paul Afoko we declare do oboko national chairmanship position oboko bi contest na oboko bi ntino fe no da boto na mbesem bogwem chami pe no da no case for ESSUMAN Babin no fe no da boto o say gay bill dealt with 8 parliament. Hey, it's a gay bill land where we were 8 parliament. Akufo-Addo na time no obesene them the speaker of parliament ono all patch it. Daddy Lumba no wa wewu ni sie no nsam na chi se asam wonya ekupre mu court ono na or the aboto one one page in ekowa bi e bi akenkan state barrier for na nakuredu Adjuma Lawrence no so the worker ten or the aba won to me no we escape bench warrant hey dama daily guide bocho ono mo de be also won to me we escape bench warrant na no nita nkokomum that's what the bench warrant what the time of the night as Martin e bu sheme ko delegates the worker ten so begwan osi kisaid ben must go hey must go where? Kisi Ejamin must go, but must go where? As in be saying, a group of people who petition or your President John Dramani Mahama there. Over Kisi Ejamin, special prosecutor, Papano, or strategic, or Sedam. On the why sada on for documenting crying ma attorney general and son to mankind or your finance minister. Into a strategy no why sada. It's a ban for ben na January February no shasi o ye deda no we come we je me go ibi sana mensan kan investigation ibi sana investigation ibi mensan kan ye mensan kan ya what 10 months nti delegates and osi group bi no a petition President John Dramani Mahama there kise Jabil must go na yako oye the bokata the campaigner or the Owafoko no so no kwa obokwa no so we stage come back and say onion court what dismiss that lumba funeral injection abem apeja that lumba no funeral injection court what dismiss the boka tesuma or the bottle wayne justice bafo money no we face or appointment committee say appointed committee no Justice Bafo Bonnie, since I was on your acting. The chairman or Boko appointed committee or your November 10th. And we said the Babra Homodo. November 10th, appointed committee. And Papa Boko no we face or Kijano. The Daily Searchlight. Us no structure failure at Roman Ridge Project site. One or Karamasami. Hey, Ghana's airport to shoot down. Aben asamaba. Airport. What a ubotumu kakra. No, ubed them on kofashim afu unyamian. Okay. Ebia with boko baby. What's the traffic safety? You know, electronic association no would declare or impending strike. Sunday and then maybe in Kwaruho. It's no so the boka tenuma or the bain. Regional balance. Adami na minority. Meche MP for Asen South. Reverend Intim Fabio or ka wa parliament there. On Saturday ye or defense minister. Na open bia kasebo ha. Udro, Mr. Udro, Reverend Dr. Professor Udro, Ossi, regional balance, ono normal the defense minister, ni no bachal. Do you know why? Or chamion bobo da mon command. These are the maybe na yabe. Him sent my regional balance to defense minister Bachala. Defense minister. Sampakuna Maya close to the president. Abayadzim. Yes. Abayadzim. Son, don't forget the former president John Ajokum Kufuor president in Uyina Anunia. His own blood, no be defense minister. Do you know the reason why? Masa moko ye do moko, why you down chini ya down. Oninti na den why yetwa. Asem ni si ya abasin ko yinya defense minister. Ki biala America cho plane, mu obi si Ghana han, obachi mu obi si ko. Na nsa ono so ba no so the target wa no we efi enyima enkai ono so the target nti no so nya baluala pa no show ebusha me yakuyem daily analyst 3-story building we kola so Roman Ridge na so ibisha yen no kwa daily analyst carter no mod beyin Paula Foko come back no so da aboto Speaker of Parliament Babin no wa clarify status of LGBT anti-LGBTQ bill no so oh. The new publisher Rebecca Tenu was attended an unfair trial by media. Oh yeah, honorable Osahini Afanyo Mark Nufain Northern Wakada Masamano. Bolare Dumas appointed Gold Board Jewelry Ambassadors. Hey, Ghana. Ghana dano chadano sayama oye ete no asabin Bolare no Dumas no appoint to Gold Board Jewelry Ambassadors. Nti nsampapa chadi intum kafu biya fi bakena mba Ghana blaba nteja also masa onkware Paula Foko the second coming the Obaka the new publisher so about to go the new center ono obenu fe no the benu do so pa na also crack down illegal mining we charge under national health insurance or intensify nti no so oni government wa buy oil prayer biometrics no so Gold Board Jewel no wa sign Bonare Jocelyn Dumas na ho kaka ho ni na so ode ho sam ode abotuga Metrolens de Obaka ten be no or the chief of staff Regulus Debra no health minister Kofi Pumfo ina abo or the chief of staff no wa endorse national health insurance illegal payment task force. The Masemi, yes, I said, you can want some yonder national health insurance. Yes, I say, you can want some yonder. We pave way, mon coffee disca mana. We pave way, mon coffee disca mana. International health insurance, when you system biara. Able to identify and now clarify there this ID card number PPP wako hospital na when you software bia man ya kechi na ya ne pevwe na mankofum wudi iska osana sa system no tum approve mamata ase there ma card no we wa then other whom your system ya obutu ma che the card in wako hospital odo show yes ti etrewa mi wi a echima no what task force the task force abado pache the world by the task force na necessary research for what abado pache the world by oye bibi simple in the technology abai oye bibi simple somebody sit on the computer pa every card in the hospital na la wa refer to what the card number so from Capecoast Metropolitan Assembly, from Commended Negua Bremer Assembly, from AAK, from Fantaman. Oh yes, simple cry. When ma sana battle task force. Yes, Kidina was a boy matter. Ebusia the Obaka more the bay, mum fancy was more share. Sadama or a king of the universe that can con or better materialism. Mufas or fast food and catering service. So did my pa number high. This is my paramount high. I said, "Be farmer a dessert gift shop or to Tadna Chadi. Mufas any view, Mufama or NPA, National Petroleum Authority, use gas. On other woman, none a pay with Sebastian. Bray I said, that's on common, money, and a pay means shooting your name. Uncle Ben, and a pay as a lesson common means shooting na name. yɛrɛ wase eti ebusua awo yɛ bi na ahwɛ yɛ di asedan nkɔm